Hello everyone. Very good evening guys. Am I audible? Hello. Guys, am I audible? Very good evening everyone. Yes, I think I'm audible, right? Okay. Welcome everyone into this Python class. Okay. So here basically we are going to learn about Python from basic to advanced level. I will definitely try to add some extra topics for you guys so that you can enjoy these classes. Okay, people? Okay, before starting the class now, guys, please let me know from which state you are belonging, guys. From which state you are belonging right now? Oh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, UP, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana. Nice, nice, guys. Nice. Delhi, UP. Okay, people. First of all, my name is Rahul Ghosh. Okay, and I will be the instructor for today's Python class. And I'm from Kolkata. Okay, and also after completion of this course of this Python class, you will be able to claim a certificate for that. We will provide you a Google form link shortly. You have to fill up the form accurately. Okay. After that, the certificate will be delivered to you. Okay, guys. Okay, Bihar, Maharashtra, Noida, AP, Mumbai. Okay, those who have joined right now, guys, welcome everyone and very good evening again. Okay, okay. Let's do something, guys. Okay. How much day course is this, guys? It will be continued for 3 days. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Today basically we are going to cover basic things. Okay, tomorrow we will cover the advanced, medium advanced topics like oops concept, object oriented programmings, and day after tomorrow we are going to complete the advanced portion like functional programming, exception handling, file handling, those things. बस 3 दिन, हाँ भाई, बस 3 दिन. कितना चाहिए? 3 दिन काफी है भाई. Okay guys, so let's start. First of all, guys, can anybody tell me what is Python? 1 to 2 months for learning Python, 1 to 2 months? No, guys, it is not required. Okay, it will take 1 to 2 months in your college for college exams. Okay, guys, can anybody tell me what is Python? Why we should learn Python? Python is interpreted language. Okay, so you can say that Python is an interpreted language, right? Okay, that's a very good point. Yes, interpreted language. Apart from the interpreted language, guys, can anybody tell me? Okay, so first point you have told like Python is a interpreted language, right? Okay, apart from the interpreted, guys, apart from the interpreted language, anything else, guys? Python is easy language and interpret language. It is easy and okay, it is easy to understand, right? We can say that Python is easy to understand, right? Okay, apart from that, guys, anything else? Dynamic language. Okay, dynamic language means dynamically typed. Okay, very good, guys. You know, very good. You have very good knowledge, guys. Dynamically typed language. Okay, apart from the dynamically typed language, anything else? Okay, it's a open source. Yes, right. It's a open source language. Okay, apart from the open source, guys, anything else? Beginner friendly means easy to learn and understand, right? Beginner friendly. Okay, threading and multitasking. Okay, multitasking behavior, right? Yes. Multitasking. Okay, apart from the multitasking, vast libraries means huge community support, guys, right? What does it mean by vast libraries? Means huge community support. So sixth point, we can say that huge community support, right, guys? Okay, okay, okay. I think it's enough, right, to understand Python. Am I right or wrong? Yes, a high level object oriented. Exactly. Okay, guys, see here. First of all, many of the students have told that sir, Python is an interpreted language, right? Okay, before talking about what is interpreted language, let's understand why it is called easy to understand, right? So I can say that Python is a easy to understand language, right? Can anybody explain, guys, what is the meaning of easy to understand? Can anybody tell me? Because its syntax is very much easy, like English language. If you write print statement, so if anybody see the print statement, then the person can understand I am going to print something, right? If I write input, so if I write print here, inside the print, if I want to print something like hello Python, so if anybody see the print statement now, they can easily understand the meaning of that. If I write input, so anybody can understand I'm going to take some input from the user. Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. Yes. So it is called high level language. So it is easy to understand means it is called high level language. Means human can easily understand Python, but machine cannot understand the Python directly because it is high level language. Machine can understand only binaries 0 and 1. Got it, people? Why it is called easy to understand or high level? Because if any human see the Python code, they can easily understand what is the meaning of that code. But the machine cannot understand it because machine only know 0 and 1. That's why we have Python interpreter. Are people understanding or not? Easy to understand means high level. Got it, guys? Have you got the point or not? Don't worry, guys. I will share you every notes. Why it is called high level, why it is called interpreted, why it is called dynamically typed. I will give you written notes. Got it, guys? Okay. Apart from that, so we have understood that Python can be easily understandable by the human but not by the machine because machine cannot understand normal English language. So that's why we have to convert the normal high level language into binaries, right? So for that we have what? Interpreter, right? Interpreter. So can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of interpreter? What is the meaning of interpreter? Can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of interpreter? uh, Karthik, compiler is a different thing and interpreter is a different thing. Both are not equal. Anybody have any idea, guys? Interpreter. Okay, see, guys. Okay, execution of code line by line. Reads the line by line. Yes, correct, correct. Ideally, compiles code line by line. Okay, line. Okay, okay, guys. So two terms are there, right? First is interpreter and compiler. So let's talk about interpreter. See, guys, this both interpreter and compiler both are the translator. Okay, and what is the job of them? They basically convert the human readable code into machine readable code. right guys? So what is the main purpose for both interpreter and compiler? They basically convert the human readable code into machine readable code. Now this one difference is there. In interpreter, na, suppose I have multiple line of code. So here I have multiple line of code. Say it's my one line code, second line code, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. So in interpreter, what will be happen? First of all, the first line will be executed. Got it? First line will be executed. Suppose in the first line, if no error is there, it will be easily executed, right? After that, it will go to the second line and it will execute the second line. If suppose no error is there, then it will be executed. Then it will go to the third line. Then it will go to the fourth line. Then it will go to the fifth line and complete the execution. That is the meaning of interpreter. Means it will execute the code line by line. Got it, people? Now, suppose in line number 3, some error has been occurred. In line number 3, some error has been occurred. So in that situation, interpreter will stop the execution of the program in this line. It will not going to execute the next lines. It will stop the execution here and it will throw an error. What error the interpreter find, it will show that error only. Got it, people? That is the meaning of interpreter. Means line by line execution. Are the people understanding or not? What is the meaning of interpreter? Guys, any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Let me know. Understood. Yes, yes. That's why it is easy to understood, guys. Python. Okay, so we have talked about interpreter. Now let's talk about compiler. Now you can easily tell me what is the meaning of compiler. আরে ক্লাস নিচ্ছি কেন কল করছো বারবার? দুটোই তো করাবে। Hello, hello. Okay, guys. Hello, 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 guys. Am I audible now? So basically, compiler. Compiler means it will also work as a translator, right? It will also work as a translator, but in this translator, na, it will take the entire code at once. It will compile the code at once. Then it will throw the output or error. Suppose in line number 4, if I find any error, so it will not stop the execution at line number 4. It will execute the entire code first. Then it will throw the output or error. But in interpreter, if in line number 3, if you find any kind of error, it will stop the execution. Got it, people? That is the basic difference. Guys, am I audible, guys? Let me know. I think I'm audible right now. Are you people understanding or not, guys? Let me know. Yes, 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 yes. So that is the meaning of interpreter and compiler. So we have understood why Python is called interpreted language, because Python use interpreter as a translator. Okay, Python use interpreter as a translator. That's why it is called interpreted language. Now, people tell me if you have any doubt for interpreted language. Okay, now third point is dynamically typed. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of dynamically typed language? What is the meaning of dynamically typed language? Don't worry, guys. I will share you a txt file. Inside the txt file, na, entire definition point by point will be there. Okay. Okay. Can anybody tell me? Yes. No need of defining data type. Dynamically type means, suppose in Python, if you want to store any integer, like I want to store a number, so num is my variable. Using assignment operator, I will assign 10 into num. So here, guys, you don't have to think about like what value I have stored, what data type I have stored here. Python, behind the scene, Python will automatically detect what type of data is being stored inside this num variable, right? So in the initial stage, you don't have to mention whether the variable will be an integer variable or not, character variable or not, right? First of all, you just have to store some value. Now it is the job of Python to understand what type of value you have stored. That is called, it is dynamically typed. Okay, but if you talk about C and Java, you have to define the data type first. If you do not define the data type, na, so compiler will not be able to understand what type of data you are going to store. Got it, people? Yes, unlike C, Python does not need to define data type. Yes, correct. No need to assign variable. Okay, got it, people? Why it is called dynamically typed? Because you don't have to define what type of data you are going to store. Python will automatically detect. Right, guys? Understandable, na? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Okay, I think no doubt is there, right? Now, open source. What does it mean by open source, guys? Because it is widely available. Okay, anybody can download it, can install it, can use it without paying any money. That's why it is called open source. And if anyone wants to contribute, so the person can contribute easily into the Python community. Okay. Okay, multitasking means it is a concept of oops. Multitasking means it will comes under the inheritance, right? Okay, huge community support. Why it is called huge community support? Because using Python you can develop web application, you can develop server side application, you can use it for machine learning, AI, ML, data science. Okay, that's why huge community support is there. Got it, people? Are you people understanding or not? What does it mean by interpreted language? It is easy to understand, dynamically typed, interpreter, compiler, multitasking. So guys, now let me know any doubt is there or not. Yes, Python is used in everywhere. Okay, like 100 problems but one solution is Python. Okay, now let's talk about how we can install the Python. I think everybody have understood whatever things I have discussed right now, right, guys? So let's see how we can install the Python. I know many of you already know how to install it, but let me show you one more time, guys. Okay, so for installing the Python, now just open a new tab. Okay, just open a new tab and search for Python, simple Python. So you will get the very first website of python.org. right? Click on it. Here download button will be there now. From this download button, if you click on it now, here you can get the button called download Python 3.13.5. Click on that button and executable file will be installed, right? After that, open the file and execute. So Python will automatically install into your system. That is the installation step. Got it, guys? It's a very much easy to install the Python into your system. Okay, guys. So should we move forward to what is variable, identifier, data type, operators, conditional statements, memory allocation is also there. Till now, guys, any confusion? Let me know, guys. Any confusion is there or not? Okay, guys, after a few moments, na, I will share you a Google form link. Okay, you have to fill up the Google form carefully. 3 days, you have to give your attendance for 3 days. If any one day is missing, if you miss any one day, na, you will not be able to claim the certificate. Okay, so see, guys, you can use multiple options like Python also provide built-in interpreter called ideally. So if you want to use ideally, that is all about this. That is all up to you. If you want to use a VS Code or any other uh, code editor, it is totally depend upon you guys. Okay, my favorite is VS Code, so I will use the VS Code for today's code work. Got it, guys? Okay, let me create a file for Python. Okay, so day1.py. Okay, VS Code visible na, guys? Or should I zoomed in more? Let me know, guys. Should I zoomed in more, guys? Or it is visible? Okay, okay, guys. Okay. So suppose I want to declare a variable. Okay. Yes, if you want to use PyCharm, you can use it. No issue is there, no? It is totally depend upon you what code editor you want to use, right? Okay. Suppose, guys, I want to create a variable and I want to store some integer number. Okay. So if you want, you can use this kind of variable name like A, B, X, Y, Z. Okay. If you want to use this kind of variable, it is a totally depend upon you. But uh, there is a good practice, guys, for declaring a variable. So first of all, now variable name should be user friendly. Okay, variable name na should be user friendly, because if you define a variable but after some time if you're not able to understand what is the meaning of that variable, then no point is there na for that variable name. So variable name should be readable. So suppose I want to store a number. For that I can use num or direct number. Got it, guys? So inside the number, suppose I have stored 100, right? 100. Suppose I want to store my name. So here I can write my name equal to RG. I can easily store it. Now here, guys, I have stored 100 inside a number, inside this number variable. But here I have not defined that whether it is a integer variable or whether it is a string. I have not defined that thing. So when I will execute the code, Python will automatically understand what type of data I have stored here. That's why it is called dynamically typed language, guys. Got it, people? Suppose I want to execute. So for print something, okay, for print something, you can use the print statement. Inside the print statement, you can pass any data, or if you want, you can pass any variable. So I want to print what? Number. And also I want to print what? My name. Okay. And open the terminal. If you want to just click on that button, it is also okay. So Python, what is my script name? day1.py. See guys, here is the output. First output is 100, second output is RG. It's visible now guys. So using print statement, we can print anything. Okay. And here number and 100. Number is my variable, 100 is my data. Got it, people? Understandable now? Okay. Now some confusion is there still. Okay, sir. I have understood that inside a number I have stored 100. 100 is my integer number. Inside my name variable I have stored a string, means RG. But how can I identify whether the type of the data is correct or not? Right? How I can identify it is a original data type or not? So for that, we have another built-in function called type. Using type, we can identify what type of data I have stored here. Got it? Now, if I execute it, see here the output. First is int, second is string. Got it? So using type function, we can easily identify what type of data we have stored here. Okay, guys. One more important thing in Python, behind the scene, everything is class and object. If you are going to use integer data type, integer is also considered as a class. String is also considered as a class. Any data type is considered as a class. Got it, guys? So behind the scene, I can say that in Python, behind the scene, everything is an object. Got it? Everything is an object. Okay, now let's discuss about, okay, so here is my Excel draw. So here you can see guys, I have defined a variable called number equal to 100, right? So can anybody tell me what is number and what is 100? And what is the meaning of this equal? So here, if I talk about this number, okay, lock it first, refresh. Okay. So here is number, right guys? So number is my what? Variable. Here 100. What does it mean by 100? 100 is my what? Value. Got it guys? 100 is my value. And you can see this equal sign now. This equal is my assignment operator. Okay. Assignment operator. Right? So now I can say that number is my variable. Inside that variable, I have stored a value called 100. Got it, people? Now here, guys, one more thing. What is the meaning of variable? Can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of variable? What is the meaning of variable? Anybody have any idea, guys? Have any idea about variable, guys? What is variable? Container to store values. Yes, exactly. I can say that variable is nothing but a memory location. Okay. Inside that memory location, we are going to store some value. I can say that now. Or also, apart from that, I can also say that variables are nothing but named memory block. So notes.txt. So first thing, guys, variable, right? So what is variable? It is nothing but a named memory block in which we store values, right? I can say that now, guys. What is variable? It is nothing but a named memory block in which we store the values. Got it, people? What is variable, right? Now, here we have written a code, right? Number equal to 100, but behind the scene in memory, how the memory allocation will be happen? Can anybody know how the memory allocation will be happen for number equal to 100? Any idea, guys? How the memory allocation will be happened here? Please let me know, guys, if you have any idea how the memory allocation will be happen. Anybody have any idea, guys? Okay, don't worry, guys. I will discuss you. So number equal to 100. So that's my code, right? So behind the scene, how number will be allocated, how 100 will be allocated, right? So guys, whenever a new variable creation will be happen, na, Python interpreter, Python interpreter create two type of memory blocks. Okay, first one is called as a stack or variable space. So first memory is what? Stack or variable space. Second memory is called heap or value space. Got it, guys? First one is heap, stack, or second one is heap. Now, can anybody tell me, guys? Suppose I have defined number equal to 100. So here, first of all, 100 will be stored or number will be created first. What will be happen here? Whether number will be created first or 100 will be assigned first. Any idea, guys? Suppose I have defined number equal to 100. So the number variable will be created first or the 100 value will be assigned first. Any idea, guys? Any idea? See, guys, in Python, na, something will be different. Okay. So here, na, the 100 will be allocated first. So whenever control will see a variable creation, control first of all go inside the heap space. Okay. After that, create a memory block. Inside that memory block, it will store the value. What value I want to store? 100. Got it, guys? No, variable will not be created first. First of all, value will be assigned to the memory block inside the heap area. Okay. So here you can see number has been assigned to a memory block. Suppose the address of the memory block is 0x112. Okay. Suppose that is my memory address. Now the variable will be created. What is my variable name? Number, right? What is my variable name? Number. And what this variable will do? This variable just contain the memory address of the value. Okay. This variable, this number variable will store the memory address of that particular value. Got it, people? If you want Hindi explanation, guys, if anybody want Hindi explanation. See, I have created number equal to 100, right? So first of all, Python will go inside the heap space. It will create a memory block. Inside the memory block, it will assign the 100 first. Okay. And for this memory block, some memory address will be there, right? Now Python will go inside the stack space. Here it will assign a new memory block and the name of the memory block will be number. And what this memory block will do? This memory block will contain the memory address of this value 100. Got it? So in this manner, the memory allocation will be happen in Python. Are you people understanding or not? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Have you understood the memory allocation in Python? Any idea, guys? Any idea? Sorry, any confusion, guys? Clear, na? Memory allocation. So here, let me add it first. Otherwise, I will forget it. Like memory creation. Two types of memory are there called heap and stack. Inside heap, value will be stored, and inside stack, memory address of heap will be contained. That's it, guys. Got it, guys? Memory allocation in Python. It is very much easy. Okay. Suppose you have defined another variable. Okay. Another variable name is what? Suppose here number is there now. So now my name. My name. Okay. What is my name? My name is what? RG. Right? So here, first of all, in this memory block means Python will go inside the heap area. It will create a memory block. Inside this memory block, it will store what? This string like RG. Okay. Now it will go inside the stack space. It will create a new memory block. It will give a name to that like my name. And this memory block will contain the memory address of this heap area. Got it, people? Understandable na, guys? Any doubt till now? In memory allocation, guys, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, okay. So I hope you have understood the memory allocation, right? Now, guys, some rules and regulations are there. Okay. Some rules and regulation means suppose you want to define a variable or you want to create a variable. So for that, na, some rules and regulations is there, like the variable name na should not start with a number. Some rules and regulations are there for creating any identifier or any variable or any class name, any function name. Okay. So the identifier name will not start with a number. First thing, guys. Second, I can say that it will not contain any special character apart from the what? Underscore. Right? Means first of all, any identifier name should not start with a number. Okay. Identifier name should not contain any special characters like underscore. Means special characters, but apart from the underscore means we can use underscore. Got it? Another point is no space will be there in between or at the beginning. So these are the rules for identifier. Got it, people? Now you can ask me a question, sir. What is identifier? It's very easy, guys. See here, I have created a variable now called number equal to 100. So here number is called my identifier. So if anybody asks you what is identifier, so identifier is a name. The name you are going to give it to a variable or any class, any function, any method. That is called what? Identifier. Got it, people? What is the meaning of identifier? And what are the rules are there that we have to follow for creating any variable, any class, any function? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. till now? Any doubt is there? Are you people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Understanding or not? Okay, okay. I hope you have understood, right? Yes. Okay. Now, guys, we have already understood what does it mean by variable. Okay. Now in variable in Python, now multiple type of data types are there. Multiple data types. Arif Barsha. First of all, we have to clear the basic part now. After creating the basic part, we will move forward to the advanced topics like OOPS, file handling, functional programming, right? Okay. Suppose many data types are there. Like here, number you can see I have stored what integer number or any number. Suppose I can also store any boolean values like is logged in false. So it is called my boolean value. Suppose I want to store any character data types means or string data type. So for that I can use single uh, single quotation, double quotation or triple quotation. Okay. For storing any string data type, we have to use single quotation or double quotation or triple quotation. It is totally up to you. But triple quotation mostly used for multi-line comment. Got it? So you should use double quotation and single quotation. So RG. Okay, now when you should use double quotation, suppose in a string you want to use a single quotation. Suppose here if I want to write RG, then again a single quotation is. So if I write the string in this manner, it will throw an error. Okay, so for that I have to enclose it within the double quotation. Got it, guys? That is the use of double quotation. Otherwise you have to use single quotation. Here you can see triple quotation for multi-line comments. Got it, guys? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. Okay, apart from that, guys, also we can store complex number. Complex num like 1 plus 3j. Okay, it is called my complex number. Apart from that, suppose I want to store multiple data items in a single variable. Okay, multiple data items in a single variable. For that I have multi-value data type. Okay, suppose I want to store multiple hero names or Avengers. Can anybody give me some Avenger names? Some Avengers name, guys? 3 to 4 Avengers name. Let me know, guys. Some Avengers name, guys. Oh, Hulk. At the very beginning, Hulk, guys. Okay, okay. So Hulk is there, right? Thor, Iron Man. Okay. तूफान का देवता, right? Iron Man. लोहे का कवच वाला. Okay. So here you can see inside a single variable, I can store multiple type of data types. Or if you want to store, you can store also number. If you want to store, you can also store it inside this collection. Another collection you can store it, right? Okay. So it is called my list collection. Okay. Another collection is there like set is there. So in set, some differences are there. I will discuss it later. Okay. In between list, tuple, set. Another data type is called like number. I want to store nums. Here I can use what set 1, 2, 3. Guys, if you are going to use set na, you will not be able to store similar type of data. Means suppose you have stored 1 2 3. Now again you are not going to store 1 2 3 because it will take only unique values. It will store only unique values. Okay, that is set. Apart from that, we have also tuples. So tuple means brace, parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you can store anything like name. If you want to store number, if you want to store boolean, you can store anything. Okay, another data type is there, that is called, guys, dictionary. So dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. Got it, guys? Dictionary is also a type of data type, and inside the data type, whatever we are going to store now, it should be in a key value pair. Okay, so here first of all let me define a key like username. What is the username? Suppose username is Dhinchak Puja. Dhinchak Puja, right? That's my username. Okay, now I have to store a password. So suppose my password is 1234. See guys, here I have stored some data in the form of key value pair. In this key value pair, this username, this password is called as a key. And here Dhinchak Puja and 1234 are the values. And both key and values will be separated by a colon. And key value pairs will be separated by a comma. Got it? Keys and values will be separated by colon. Key value pairs will be separated by comma. Got it, people? We have this type of data types. Are you people understandable or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Any confusion, guys? Any confusion? First one is my number data type. Second is my boolean. Third is my string. Fourth is my complex number. It also comes under the number. Fourth is my collection called list. Okay, then set is there, tuple is there, dictionary is there. Got it, people? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. Or should I explain more on these data types? Should I explain more, guys? Am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Okay, okay. Guys, see. First of all, now let's talk about data types in detail. So what does it mean by data type? Can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of data type? Anybody? What is the meaning of data type? Okay, so data type means it basically defines what type of data you have stored inside a variable. Got it? Data type means it is going to define what type of data you have stored inside a variable. Now in Python, basically two type of data types are there. Okay, two types are there. So first one is single valued data type. What? Single valued, right? And another is the collection or multi-valued or collection, right, people? So in Python, two type of data types are there. First one is the single valued, second is the multi-valued or collection. Now inside this single value data type, okay, first of all let's understand what does it mean by single value data type. Suppose you have only one variable, and inside that variable, if you are going to store only a single data, then it is called as a single value data type. Okay, suppose inside a variable, if you are going to store multiple data items at once, then it is called as a multi-valued or collection data type. So in single valued, many things are there. Like first one is the number data type. Okay, inside this number, we have three type of data types inside this number. First one is integer, second one is float, and third one is what? Complex number. Okay, are people understanding or not? First one is the number data type. Inside this number data type, we have integer, we have float, we have complex. Another data type is there called boolean. Right, people? Another data type is there called what? Boolean. Now, inside this boolean, guys, we have two values. Okay, we have what? Two values. First values is what? True, and second is what? False. So that is all about single valued data type. Let me know, guys. Any doubt is there? Any confusion? Any doubt? Let me know, guys. Don't worry, guys. I will share you notes. You can go through the notes easily. You can understand. Okay, okay, guys. So we have already discussed about what? Single valued or boolean. Single value data type. Inside the single value data type, we have what? Number and boolean. Now let's talk about multi-valued data type or collection. The first data type, that is called what? String. So string is also considered as a multi-valued data type. Got it? Because string is a collection of multiple characters. Apart from the string, we have list, tuple. Also, we have set and dictionaries. Set here, dictionary. So here you can see that inside multi-valued or collection data type, total 5 different data types are there. Called what? String, list, tuple, set, and what? Dictionary. Got it, guys? Got it? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. Till now, any doubt is there? Are the people understanding or not the data types in Python? Understandable, na? Data types. Okay, okay. See here, we have already created these data types, right? Now let's check their types. Okay. So if we want to check their types, we have to use what? Type, right? Type function. So print. I want to check the type of. First one is number. Second one is logged in. Okay. What is the third one? Third one is my name. My name. Another is complex. Complex number. Avengers is also there. Nums, tuples, dictionaries. Nums, tuples, dictionary, right, guys? See, if I execute now, see their data types. Here you can see, first one is my integer, right? Second one is my boolean data type. Third one is my string data type. Fourth one is my complex number. Okay, then list, set, tuple, dictionary. Got it, guys? Are people understanding or not? Let me know. Have you understood this data types, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. See, guys. Okay, let's talk about list, set, dictionary, tuple. Okay, let's discuss on it. See, suppose, guys, I have a variable called numbers. It's my list collection, right? What? It's my list collection. Now, guys, okay, just give me a second, everyone. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Guys, I think my screen is visible now, right now. Okay, some network issue is there, guys. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I think my screen is visible, right? Yes. Okay, okay. See, guys, here. So here you can see I have created a variable. What is my variable name? Called numbers, right? So it's a collection, means list collection. So inside this list collection, suppose no value is there. Okay, no value is there. Suppose I want to add some values. I want to add some values. So for that now I can use a function called numbers. On the numbers I have a function called what? Append. So what this append function will do? This append function is used to add a new value to a list. Got it, guys? Suppose I want to add a 10. So it will add what? 10. If I print it, print numbers, and if I execute it, you can see 10 has been added. Right? 10 has been added. Suppose again I want to add what? 20. Again I want to add what? 30. I also want to add 40. Right? Now if I click on that button, see 10, 20, 30 and 40 has been added successfully. Right, guys? It has been added now. Okay. So here we can see that we can add new values, right? Using append function in Python, right? Okay. See, if I want to remove any value, so here we have just we have just watched that we can add some values, right? Suppose I want to remove some values. How we can remove it? Simple, guys. Using append, I can add values. So another function is there called pop. Okay, pop. So using pop function, I can remove values from the end of the collection. Okay, so pop function basically used to remove values from the end of a collection. Now if I execute it, see 30, sorry, 40 will not be there, only 30 will be there, right? Okay, if I again pop, if I again perform the pop function, see 30 has been removed from here, right? Are people understanding or not, guys? Let me know. Understanding or not? Append function and pop function. Using append, we can add a new value at the end of the collection. Using pop, we can remove a value from the end of the collection. Got it? Okay. Another syntax is there, guys, for the pop. Suppose I don't want to remove the last index value. I want to remove a particular index value. Okay. So for that, guys, here I can also pass a index number. So let's talk about the indexing in Python. So suppose in Python, okay, see, guys, suppose in Python it's my list, right? Here 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Okay, people, 10, 20, 30 and 40 is there, right? Now here, guys, you can see the indexing will be started from 0. So the 10th, the value 10 will be stored at the position of 0th index. Got it? The 20 has been stored in the position of 1, right? The index value will be 1. 30 will be what? 2. 40 will be what? 3. Got it, guys? Understandable na, guys? Indexing. In Python, index will be started from 0. So the first element will be present at the 0th index. Second element will be present at the first index. Third element will be present at the second index. Fourth element will be present at the third index. Got it? Right, guys? Right? Understandable now? So here, suppose I want to remove first index value. So what is the value that is present at the first index? 20, right? So I want to remove 20. So here simply I have passed the index value. If I execute it, see 10, 30 and 40 is there, but 20 is not there because we have removed the 20th value. Remove the value 20. Got it, guys? Understandable now? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Don't worry, guys. In later time, we will discuss more about these functions. Append is there, pop is there, remove is there. Okay. Suppose, guys, you want to add multiple data items at a time, not single. Suppose I want to add multiple data items. For that, I can use another function called extend. This extend function will take only one value. So the value I can pass in the form of list. Here inside this list, I can pass multiple values like 50, 60, 70, and 80. So here using this extend, I can add multiple values. So if I execute it, see 50, 60, 70, and 80 has been added. Right, guys? That is the another function called extend. Okay, people? Understandable or not, guys? Understandable or not? Let me know. Guys, any doubt till now? Any doubt? Let me know. Then I will move forward to the next topic. Anyone have any doubt, guys? Have any doubt till now? Okay, I think no doubt is there, right? Okay, okay, guys. See, suppose I want to remove a particular value. Okay, let me define it first. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are my values that are present inside my list collection. Suppose I want to remove this 30. Okay, I just want to remove this 30. So how can I do it? We have another function, guys. What we have? We have another function called remove. So numbers dot remove. Using this remove function, now we can remove a particular value. Suppose I want to remove 30. So pass simply 30. So it will be removed. Now if I print it now, numbers, if I execute it, see 30 has been removed. Got it? Suppose I want to remove 10. If I execute it, see 10 has been removed. Got it, guys? That is the basic some basic functions that are relevant to the list data type. Got it? Many other function is there. Okay, we will discuss about them in later time. Okay, guys? Okay. So we have understood about what list data type, right? Okay, I think no confusion is there for the list data type. Now, guys, let's talk about tuple. Okay, tuple means simply parenthesis will be there. Tuple. And tuple is also considered as a secured data type. Secured collection. Okay, why tuple is called as a secured collection? Because if we have already created a tuple collection, then further we cannot add any new value, we cannot remove a value, we cannot add a value, we cannot perform any kind of operation on that tuple collection. Means once you have created, you will not be able to update it or modify it. Got it? Suppose I want to remove a value. See, no function is there for the tuple. Suppose I want to use pop. Pop is not there. I want to add some values. Extend is not there. See, no suggestion is there. That's why tuple is called as a secured collection. Got it, guys? Understandable or not? Let me know. Understandable or not? Yes. Suppose forcefully you want to remove some value. Forcefully. Suppose numbers dot pop. Forcefully you want to perform this operation. See, it will throw an error. See, attribute error. Tuple object has no attribute called pop. Got it? Okay. See, another question is there. अगर list के middle में add करना हो तो, right? See, guys. Another function is there for that called list insert. Using insert now, you can add a new value at a particular index, like numbers dot insert. Inside this insert, see guys, it basically take two things. First of all, the index value, and second, what data you want to store. So I want to store value of 100 at the position of 1. Means in the position of first index, I want to store the value of 100. So if I execute it, see, at my 1th position, the 100 value has been added. Got it? Okay. Now, guys, we have already discussed about list and tuple, right? List and tuple. Got it? Now, guys, let's move forward to another data type called set. Okay. So, set is nothing but set is a collection which stores unique values. Got it? It will store only unique values. Suppose I have a tuple, sorry, I have a set like my set 10, 20, 30, again 10, 20 is there. All right. Suppose if I print it, my set. So what will be the output, guys? Can anybody guess what will be the output here? Can anybody tell me, guys, what will be the output here? I have a set collection. Inside the set collection, some values are there called 10, 20, 30, 10, 20. Means 10 and 20 are present twice. Okay. See, if I execute now, see 10, 20, 30. I have already told now, set data type only store unique values. So if you pass any duplicate values, it will remove that. Okay. It will automatically remove that thing. Got it? Suppose a question is there, right? A question called, suppose I have a list. Okay. I have a list and remove the duplicates from it. So can anybody tell me what will be the answer for that question? Suppose I have a list. Now I want to remove the duplicate elements from the list. How can I do it? How can I do that? Anybody tell me, guys, how can I do that? See, suppose I have a list. Okay, lst 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 is there, then 5 is there. So here 1 and 2 are present twice, right? I want to remove those 1 and 2. I want to make this collection as a unique collection. Only unique values will be present. How can I do that? Simply, guys, we can use a typecasting, right? Means I can print. Okay, first of all, I want to convert it into list. Now again, I want to convert it into set. Here I will pass lst. Yes, using set I can easily remove. See, 1 2 3 4 5 is there. First of all, guys, what I have done, I have converted the data type of this lst into set. So whenever I will convert the collection into set, now set, what set will do? Set will remove the duplicate elements, right? Now again, I have converted it into list. Again, I have converted it into list. Are you people got my point? The set collection. Okay, suppose I want to add some values. Here is my set, right? Inside the set, I want to add some values. So my set add function is there. Okay, using the add function, sorry, not add function. Using the add function, you can add a new value. Like I want to add 100. Again, I want to add 200. Okay, if I execute it, okay, I have to print it first. See, guys, 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, right? But guys, some question maybe arise in your mind, like, sir, here in this set, first 10 is there, second 20 is there, then 30 is there. After that 100 should be added, then 200 should be added. But in console, first 100, then 200 is there, then 10, 20, 30 is there. Why it is happening? Can anybody tell me why it is happening here? The output should be in the form of 10, 20, 30, 100, 200. But the output is in the form of first 100 is there, then 200 is there, then 10 is there, then 20, then 30. Right? Why it is happen? Why it is happening, guys? Let me know. See, guys, set collection, na? Okay. So in set collection, na, indexing is not allowed. Okay. In list collection, you can use indexing. In tuple, you can use indexing, but in set, no indexing is there. And what is the meaning of indexing? If any data type support indexing, that means the values will be stored contiguously, means one after another one, right? But in set, there is no concept of indexing. That means values can be stored randomly, and we cannot perform any indexing operations. Like my set here, if I want to access the 1th index, see, I will get an error like set object is not subscriptable. Got it? It doesn't support indexing. That's why values are in unorganized manner. Yes, it doesn't follow any sequence, means no indexing concept is there. It stored the values randomly. Anywhere it can store it. Got it, people? That is the reason the values has been printed in this manner. Okay, guys? Understandable? Any doubt? Any doubt? Let me know, guys. Any doubt till now? Okay, guys. Suppose I want to remove a value. How can I remove? Like my set dot remove function is there. Okay. So using remove function, you can remove a value, right? Suppose I want to remove 20. So pass 20 here. If I execute, see 20 has been removed. If I want to remove 30 also, see 30 has been removed, right? So using remove function, I can easily remove a particular value from the set collection. Suppose I want to make empty. I want to make this set as an empty set. How can I do that? Again, I will take my variable. I will use function called clear. So this clear function will remove every value that are present inside that set collection. If I execute, see, empty set is there. Got it, people? About the set data type. Understandable, na guys? Python is easy to understand and understand, na? Yes, yes. Python is easy to understand. Yes, guys. If you're enjoying this class, now, guys, please don't miss to subscribe our channel. Okay. Also, please don't forget to share this video with your friends so that your friend can learn something. And please do like, guys. Do like and subscribe. Okay. See, we have already discussed about set. Now, guys, let's discuss about our final data type called what? Dictionary. Okay. Are you enjoying now, guys? Let me know in the comment box. Are you enjoying or not? Okay. So my dict. See, suppose inside this dictionary, I want to store username. Okay. Suppose username is Dinga. And I want to store my password here. But if I store the password, then it will be visible in front of you guys. So the password will be in the form of hashed manner, right? Password is in a form of hashing. Now, if I print it, my dict, again, if I want to check its a type, and execute it, guys. See, username Dinga, password is star. And what is the data type? Dict is my data type, right? Now here, guys, I want to add a new key value pair. In this dictionary, I want to add a new key value pair called location. So my dict is there. So here I can use bracket. Inside that bracket, I have to pass a key name like location equal to value like India. Now if I again execute it, see, now the location has been added. Got it, people? Location has been added. Now I want to remove. I want to remove a key. So how can I remove? Okay, remove is not there. Yes, pop is there, right? So using pop, I can remove a particular key value pair. Suppose I want to remove this password. So here I will simply pass password. Now if I again execute it, see, only username is there and location is there. No password is there. Right? So that's my dictionary data type. Suppose I want to clear my dictionary. My dict dot clear. So it will remove whatever key value pairs are there. It will remove everything. If I execute it again, see, empty dictionary is there. It's called empty dictionary. Right, guys? Are people understanding or not, guys? Let me know. Are people understanding or not? Any doubt is there, guys? Any doubt? Python is easy to understand, na, guys? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, in later time, guys, you can also watch this video to revise all those things, right? See, guys, another concept is there in Python, another concept is called what? MVC. Okay, MVC. Can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of MVC? Anybody? What does it mean by MVC? Any idea, guys, about MVC in Python? Guys, any idea about MVC? No, no, no. I know model view controller is there. It's a concept. Okay, I know that. But here in Python, MVC means multiple variable creation. Okay. Here MVC means what? Multiple variable creation. Got it? Now, what does it mean by multiple variable creation? Suppose I want to create three variable. Okay. See, variable is like num1. I want to create. Also, I want to create what? Num2. Also, I want to create num3. And also, I want to assign some values. So for num1, I want to assign 10. For num2, I want to assign 20. For num3, I want to assign 30. So here, guys, you can see in a single line, I can create multiple variables. And into those variables, I can use multiple values within a single line. Okay. If I declare this variable separately, I have to write 3 lines of code. But using MVC, I can reduce the line and I can create these 3 variables in a single line. And also I can assign 3 values to them. Got it, people? Understandable or not? It is called MVC or multiple variable creation. Okay, if I print now, print num1, num2, num3. If I execute it, see 10, 20, 30 is there. So that is called MVC or multiple variable creation. In MVC, you should keep in your mind that the number of variables and the number of values should be equal. Means number of variables should be equal to the number of values. Otherwise, you will get two type of error. First one is that if number of variable is greater than number of values, then we will get an error called not enough values to unpack. Got it, guys? Not enough values to unpack means if the number of variable is greater than the number of values. Means here, see, num1, num2, num3 is there. Means the 3 variable is there. For the 3 variables, I have only 2 values called 10 and 20. Means if I execute it, see, guys, not enough values to unpack means expected 3 got 2. That means Python interpreter expected that you have to provide 3 values, but here you have provide only 2 values. That's why it gives an error. Suppose, guys, the number of values are greater than the number of variable. Means here you can see number of values are 4, number of variables are 3. So here we will get an error called too much values to unpack. Okay, means too much values to unpack. See, guys, error. Too much values to unpack. Expected 3, but here we have provided 4. That's all about MVC or multiple variable creation. Got it, guys? Are people understanding or not? Let me know about MVC. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Please let me know. If you have any doubt regarding MVC. Understandable, na, MVC? Yes, yes. It's a not about, yeah, it's another concept. MVC means multiple variables. We have already covered things. let's go to it. Okay, so we have talked about what is Python, also data type we have discussed, also identifier we have discussed, variable we have discussed, everything we have understood. Okay, now guys, let's understand a concept called mutable and immutable. It's a basic concept. Guys, let's move forward. Guys, let me know. Should I move forward? Okay, guys. Now I think my audio is clear, no? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. See, guys. Some concept is there called mutable and immutable. And okay, mutable and immutable means suppose, guys, here we have already know that we have two type of memories, right? Stack space and heap space. Suppose here I have defined a variable called number equal to 100. So mutable means I can override this value 100. Got it? Immutable means I cannot override this value. Okay, let's understand, guys. Let's understand. Suppose here, okay, let me use it. Okay, Python. Okay, it's my Python shell, guys. Okay, right, guys? Python shell is visible now, guys. Python shell visible. Yes, yes, yes. Now suppose I have declared a variable called num1 equal to 100, right? Now what is the value of num1? 100, right? Now I have declared another variable called num2. Okay, inside the num2 I want to store the value of num1, guys. Inside the variable num2 I want to store the value of num1, right? Audible na, guys? See, if I print the num2, then what is the value of num2? 100, because inside num1 I have stored 100. In the next line, inside num2 I want to store the value of num1. So what is the value of num1? 100. So inside the num2, 200 will be, sorry, 100 will be stored. Now here, if I going to change the value of num1 into 200, so now what will be the value of num1? 200, right? Understandable now, guys? What is the value of num1? 200. Now can anybody tell me what will be the value of num2? Guys, now tell me what is the value of num2? Yes, Bhavik Sharma 200, Ayush 100. Guys, the value will be what? 100. See, what is the value of num2? 100. What is the value of num1? 200. Okay, it is the concept of mutable. Okay, let me discuss with you guys. First of all, here, see, guys, here num1 equal to what? Here num1 equal to 100. In the next line, I have declared num2 equal to num1. Here I have changed num1 equal to 200. Now if I print it, so now the value of num1 is what? 200. Now the value of num2 is what? 100. Why it is happening, right? Guys, that is the main question, why it is happening. See, if I create the memory allocation, now if I create the memories like stack memory is there, also here heap is there, right, guys? Stack is one of my memory, heap is one of my memory. Okay, and that's my partition. Okay, so guys, let me know, the value will be assigned first or the variable will be created first? What operation will be performed first? Value will be assigned first or variable will be created first? Let me know, guys. So value will be assigned first. So in num1, what is the value? 100. So here a memory block will be created. Inside the memory block, 100 will be stored. For this 100, for this memory block, a memory address will be there. Let's suppose the memory address is OX10. That's my memory address. Now this 100 is being stored inside this num1. So here another memory block will be created. The name of the memory block will be what? Num1. Now num1 store the reference of that 100. Am I right or wrong, guys? It stored the memory reference of what? 100 values, right? Now see, in the next line, guys, I have again created another variable. So inside stack here, guys, I have created another variable called what? Num2. And what I have done, num2 equal to num1 means I am storing the reference of num1 inside num2. Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. Here inside num2 variable, I have stored the memory reference of num1, right? So inside num1, what num1 has been stored? Num1 has been stored the memory reference of 100. So behind the scene, I can say that num2 has also stored the memory reference of this 100, right, guys? Now again here you can see I have created another value called 200. So inside heap, another memory block will be created. Inside this memory block, the value will be 200. For this memory block, a memory address will be there like OX11 or any other value like 90. So now I have assigned num1 equal to 200. That means now this num1 is storing the memory reference of 200. See? Now what is the value of num2? 100. What is the value of num1? Is 200. Got it, guys? Understandable, na? That is the concept of mutable. Mutable means variable, means the values will not be deleted. It will be created. Means once 100 is there, that means 100 will be stay as it is. Another memory block will be created. Inside that memory block, another value will be created or value will be stored. That's why we have got the output num1 equal to 200 and num2 equal to 100. Yes, num2 will be still holding the old reference. Yes. Got it, people? Guys, let me know. Are you enjoying or not? Are you enjoying or not, guys? Let me know. No, num1 equal to 200. Num2 equal to 100. Because now I'm storing the memory reference of 200 value inside the num1 variable. That's why the value will be 200. Got it, guys? Okay, guys, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, after that I will share you the link. Okay, Google Form link. Okay, another thing, guys. Should I start? Yes, let me start it. Okay, so another concept is there, guys. The concept called operators in Python. Can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of operator? What is the meaning of operator? Can anybody tell me, guys? What is the meaning of operator? Anybody have any idea, guys? What is the meaning of operator? Yes, those are the arithmetic operators. But I am asking about what is operator. Have any idea, guys? To perform some operations. Actually, no. Operators means what? Plus is an operator. Uh, and is an operator, right? Also, minus is an operator. Asterisk is an operator, right? So these operators are nothing but what? Special symbols, right? Or special characters. I can say that now. So here, if anybody asks you what is operator, now you can say that operators are the special symbols which are used to perform some operations, right? I can say that now. Yes, an operator should be present between operands. Operands means values. Okay, between these values, operator will be there. Got it, guys? I think you have got an idea about what operators. Now in Python, now so many operators are there. I think total 7 type of operators are present in Python. Can anybody tell me what are the operators are there in Python? Anybody? First one is arithmetic operator, right? Second one is logical, right? Logical operator is also there. Third one, I can say that conditional is there, or relational operator. Okay. Fourth one is called assignment operator. We have fifth bitwise. Sixth one, I can say that it is called as an membership. Yes, membership operator. And seventh one is the identity operator. Identity, right? So in Python, we have total 7 type of operators. So in arithmetic operator, what are the operators are there, guys? In arithmetic, we have plus operator. Plus means what? Addition. We have minus means what? Subtraction. We have uh, asterisk. Asterisk means multiplication. Right, guys? We have a division operator, right? Division. But inside this division, we have 3 type of divisions, guys. First one is the proper division. Proper division means a single forward slash. Okay. Second one is the floor division. Floor division means double forward slash. Okay. And third one is the modulo operator. MODULUS, modulus. Okay. And one more operator is there, that is called double asterisk. Means power operator, right? See, inside the arithmetic operator, we have addition, means plus is called as an addition operator. Minus, subtraction. Asterisk means multiplication. We have also division operator. Inside the division, proper division is there, floor division is there, and also modulus is there. And we have also power operator. Got it, guys? Understandable or not? Let me know. The arithmetic operators. Understandable, guys? Okay, let's see. Let's see the demo. Python. Okay. So arithmetic operator. First of all, suppose I have 10. I want to add with 20. What will be the result? 30. Suppose I have 10. I want to subtract it with 5. The answer will be what? 5. Right? Multiplication means 10 into 10. Answer will be 100. Suppose I want to find the square root or any other power. Means suppose 2 to the power 3. So what will be the answer of 2 to the power 3? 8. See? Now here, guys, just focus, guys. Okay? The division operator. First one is the proper division. So suppose 10 is there. If I properly divide this 10 by 3, the answer will be what? 3.333, right? But if I use floor division, means a double forward slash, so it will provide 3 as a result. Got it? That is the work of floor division. It will remove the decimal points. Another is the modulo. Suppose 10 is there, modulo 3. So modulo operator is used to extract the remainder value. Okay, so remainder will be 1. So see, using modulus operator we can find the remainder. Got it, guys? So that's all about arithmetic operator. Guys, any doubt? Guys, any doubt? Let me know. Let me know. Any doubt? Okay, okay. Now logical operators there. Logical is very much interesting, guys, and very short. Like a logical and is there, so it's the and operator. And operator we have, or operator I have, and not have. Right? We have three type of operators: and, or, not. So let's see, guys. Suppose I want to check uh, number equal to 10, right? So here I want to check whether number is greater than 100 or not, right? I want to check whether the number is greater than 100 or not. So see, it will give the result as a false. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. I think I have messed up. Okay. Suppose num1 is 10, okay, and num2 equal to 20. Now I just want to check whether the value of num1 is 10 or not, or num2 is 20 or not. So here I can write the value of num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. See, whether the value of num1 should be 10 and num2 should be 20. Only on that time it will give the result as a true, right? Suppose if any of the condition is being false, if any of the condition is false, that means it will give the result as a false. Got it, guys? Now how the truth table will work here? Okay, in AND operator, now for the AND operator, if two means a two truth statement is there, right? Only on that time it will return true. Suppose one is true, one is false, so it will return what? False. Suppose one is false, one is true, it will return what? False. One is false, another is also false, it will return what? False. Got it, guys? That is the AND operator. Odd operator means, suppose true is there, double true. So the what will be the output, guys? Here we have two statements. First statement is true, second statement is also true. Now let me know, guys, what will be the output. Output will be true or false, guys? Let me know. Output will be true or false, guys? Let me know. True, right? Suppose one is true, another is false, what will be the output? True, because in odd operator, if any of the condition is true, then the final output will be considered as a true, right? False true, it will also return true. False false means it will return only false here. Only in the case of two false statement, the final output will be considered as a false. But if any of the statement considered as a true statement, then it will be considered as a true statement. The entire statement will be considered as a true. Got it, guys? And not means, you know that, guys, not, it is used to negate the value, right? So suppose if I want to perform not true, so it will become what? False. Okay, here if I perform not false means it will become true. So that's all about logical operators in Python, guys. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. Any doubt is there till now? It's understandable, na, guys? Okay, now let's talk about relational operator. Okay, so inside the relational operator, now guys, we have multiple type of operators. Like we have greater than, we have less than, we have equal to, we have not equal to, we have greater equal to, we have lesser equal to. Right? So see here, guys. I want to check whether the value of 10 is equal to 10 or not. Right? So what will be the output, guys? Whether the value of 10 is equal to 10 or not. So output here should be equal to true. Means both the values are equal, na? Suppose I want to check whether 10 is greater than 5 or not. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. Right? 10 is greater than 5. That's why it is called, it will return as a true. Right? Right shift. Shift right. Okay? Shift right or right shift. It will be comes under the bitwise operator. Okay. Suppose I want to check whether 10 is less than 10 or not. Yes, 10 is not less than 10 because 10 is equal to 10. It will return what? False. Okay. Suppose I want to check 10 is not equal to 90. Yes, 10 is not equal to 90. It will return what? True. Got it, guys? These are the operations that we can perform inside the relational operator. Also, we have greater equal to, also we have less equal to. Guys, any doubt, guys? Any doubt? See here. It will return true. 10 less equal to 10. It will also return true. It will check whether 10 is less than 10 or 10 is equal to 10 or not. If any of the condition is being true, that means it will return the result as a true. Got it, guys? Any confusion, any doubt, guys? Till now, any doubt? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about the assignment operator. Inside the assignment, now we have only single equal, right? And multiple ways are there to use that operator. Like plus equal to means first update the value, then assign it, right? Similarly, minus equal to, into equal to, uh, proper division equal to, float division equal to, modulo equal to, right? We have assignment operators. This type of assignment. You know assignment operator, right? 10 greater equal to 10. It will give the result as a true because 10 is equal to 10. Okay. So inside bitwise, guys, we have multiple operators like uh, bitwise and, okay, bitwise or, bitwise not is also there, bitwise not. Also XOR is there. X, I think XOR, right? No. Where is the cap? Yes, it's a cap. Also we have left shift. Also we have right shift. Got it? So that is all about the bitwise operator. Now let's talk about membership operator and identity operator. Those two operators are very much important in Python. Got it? Membership operator means, guys, suppose you have a collection. Okay? Suppose you have a collection and you want to check whether a particular value present inside the collection or not. Right? Suppose here one collection is there, like list collection 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I want to check whether 1 is present inside the collection or not. So 1 in collection, it will give the result as a true because here you can see 1 is present inside the collection, right? Suppose if I give a value which is not present inside the collection, that means it will give the result as a false. So 10 in collection. See, false. That means 10 is not present inside the collection, right? So here I can say that using membership operator, we can check whether a value is present inside a collection or not. Got it? So in membership operator, we have a total of two type of operators. First one is the in operator. In operator, it is used to check if the value is present inside the collection. Similarly, not in is also there. Not in means if the value is not present inside the collection. Sort of, just give me 2 minutes. Huh? Just give me 2 minutes. Membership is also completed. Okay. Let me cover the identity. Then it will be over, guys. I will share you the form link. Okay. Just 2 minutes, huh? Guys. Okay. Let me know, guys. Understandable, na? Membership operator in and not in. Guys, any doubt? Guys, any doubt? Guys, any doubt till now on the membership operator? Any doubt? Okay, guys. Now let's discuss about identity operator. Okay, it's a very important. So identity means suppose I have two variable. Okay. Now I have to check whether both the variable means whether both the values are pointing to the same memory location or not. See, suppose here I have a variable called num1. I have also stored the value of 10. I have another variable called num2. Inside the num2, I have also stored 10. Now here I can check whether these both 10 are pointing to the same memory location or not. Means, see here, guys. I have stack, I have heap, right? I have stack and I have what? Heap. See, I want to store a value called 10, right? Here is my variable called num1. So num1 will store the memory reference of 10. Now I have defined another variable called num2. Now also num2 equal to 10 means num2 will also pointing to the same memory location. So here I can say that 10, the value 10 is present inside a same memory location. Means suppose, guys, let me show you guys here. Suppose num1 equal to 10, right, guys? Num1 equal to what? 10. Now let me check the ID of 10. Okay, so if I use ID, so ID is also an inbuilt function. Using this function, you can grab the memory address. So num1, see, it's my memory address, right? Now I have defined another variable called num2, and I have also stored 10, same value. Got it? Now also I want to get the memory address of num2. Means what memory address num2 stored. I want to get the address. So num2. See, both the memory address are same. Now here I can say that both 10 are pointing to the same memory location. Okay. See, ID means ID is a function, built-in function. Using this built-in ID function, you can grab the memory address. Right? See, num1 equal to 10. So 10 is present inside a memory block, and for the memory block, a memory address will be there. So using this ID, you can grab that particular memory address. Got it? Now here, how I can check the identity. See, if I write num1 is num2. So this is operator basically check whether the value of num1 and value of num2 are pointing to the same memory location or not. Got it? Num1 is there, num2 is there. Is operator is going to check whether the value of num1 and the value of num2 are pointing to the same memory location or not. If I hit the enter button, see, true is there because both the memory location are same. Both the memory location are same. Suppose if I write num1 equal to 10, again num2 equal to 20, right? Now 10 is stored in a different memory location, 20 is stored in a different memory location. Now if I check num1 is num2, now it will give the result as a false, because the value of num1 and value of num2 are not present inside the same memory location, right? So how I can identify id num1? See the last three digits, 448. For num1, the last three digit is 448. Now for num2, what is the last three digit? 768, right? Now if I check id of num1 equal to id of num2, see the result is false, means both the values are pointing to the different memory location. So that is all about your identity operator. So here inside the identity operator we have is basically check two or more values are pointing to the same memory location. Okay, and another is the is not, means if two or more values are pointing to the same memory are not pointing. Got it? So that's all about operators. Guys, let me know any confusion is there or not. Let me give you the form. Okay, tell me guys, any confusion? Okay, okay, are you guys enjoying now? Python doesn't take too much time to understand. That's why Python is called as a easy to understand, right? Python is easy to understand. Guys, please fill up the form quickly. Form will be open for next 2 minutes, guys. Okay, it will be opened for next 2 minutes. There is a way if converting tuple into list, update the value. How? Means I have not understood what you want to say. Means I want to convert the tuple into list, then I'm going to update the values. Okay, means you're going to say that suppose I want to update the values of a tuple. So on that time, yes, you can do it. First of all, you have to convert the tuple into list. Now list is a mutable data type. Now you can perform any updation, then again convert the list into tuple. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. Guys, any confusion? Guys, let me know. Till now, any confusion is there or not? Quickly fill up the form, guys. Okay, guys. So today was the first class. I'm giving you I'm giving you tomorrow to revise all those things. Please revise these things, guys. Then day after tomorrow means today is what date? 14, 15, 16th. On the 16th July, we will continue the second class of it. Got it, guys? Please don't forget to join. Okay. If you miss any one class now, you will not be able to claim the certificate. You can watch the video later time, but it will not be able, it will not be possible for you to claim it. Okay, guys, let me know. Are you enjoying or not this class? Are you enjoying now, guys? Guys, if you enjoying this class now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Okay, and also please share with your friends so that your friend also can get the opportunity to learn something. Okay, guys, if you have any question, you can ask me any question. Okay, this session will be continued for next 5 minutes. So within these 5 minutes, if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me, guys. Please let me know. Any question is there or not? Thank you for the compliment. Thank you. Also, please let me know, guys. Guys, don't worry. I have handwritten notes. Okay, I will make a PDF of it, and I will put the PDF link. Okay, I will put the PDF link into my video description. Got it? Okay, so that you can easily download the PDF and go through it. What things will you teach in this course? I have not teach anything, guys. I have not think any, I have not teach anything. Today we are going to do some fun here. We have done some fun. Actually, I want to know that how many time it takes to cover all the topics. How many time or how many day? It will take mostly 3 days. Tuple is converted into list. Simple. Typecast it, na. See, let me show you. Okay, I think screen visible, na. Let me know. Screen visible, na. Okay. Suppose I have a list. Sorry, tuple. TPL. Okay. Inside the tuple, I have 10, 20, 30, and 40. Right? Actually, the internship completion date is 31st July. So you have to wait until 31st July. Okay. Then you will got the certificate. See, here is my tuple. Now inside this tuple, I want to add 50. A new value I want to add. So first of all, let me convert this tuple into list. Okay. And store it inside a variable. So it's my variable called temp. Okay. Inside the temp, I want to convert it into list. TPL. Now, if I print temp, so now what is the temp? Temp is a list, right? Now I want to add a new value. So temp dot append 50. See, what is the value of temp? 50, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now again, I can do it like TPL equal to tuple. Here I can pass the temp. So if I print the tuple, see, I have already modified the tuple. Simply, I have just converted this tuple into list. Then again, I have converted into list. Got it? Yes, a list function for typecasting. In next class, we will going to discuss about copy operation and typecasting. Okay. How and when we get certificate? Vabik, actually it will take 3 to 4 days to complete the entire Python class. So in each and every class you have to present. Okay. So today we have attended the first class. Tomorrow no class will be there. Day after tomorrow means 16th July, another class will be there. Okay. So you have to attend those classes. You have to learn the things. You have to fill up the form. Okay. After that you will get the certificate. You have to attend all the classes, then you will get the certificate. Got it? Guys, any other question, guys? Any further question, let me know. Any further question, guys? Let me know. Okay, guys. Okay, I think you don't have any doubt. Also, you have understood all the topics, right? So let's end this class here, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining this class, everyone. Have a good night to all of you. Please attend the next class so that you should learn something. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay. I'm Rahul Ghosh, currently signing off. Thank you, guys.